Hello guys, welcome as we do yet another problem. Guys, here we have the question. I read the question. Given the quadratic equation ax squared minus 3x squared minus ax minus 2x plus c is equals to 0, determine the values, these are the values of a and c. Given the roots are x equals to 1 over 3, x equals to 3 over 2. And so guys, we start off to do the question. Guys, the first thing we are going to do is to find the equation of the quadratic equation. And we use these figures, these roots. We have x equals to a third. Guys, we also have x equals to 3 all over 2. Guys, now we can produce the factors for each of the roots. So this side, guys, we shall have x minus a third equals to 0. And here we have x minus 3 all over 2 equals to 0. And then, guys, to remove the denominator for each, this side I can multiply by 3. So guys, we have 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. Here we have 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. And therefore, guys, our factors are 3x minus 1 and 2x minus 3. This gives us 0. And therefore, our equation then is going to be 6x squared multiplying 3x multiplied by 2x. 3x multiplied by 9, this gives us minus 9x. Minus 1 multiplied by 2x gives us minus 2x. And finally, guys, we have plus 3. This is equals to 0. Therefore, guys, our quadratic equation then is 6x squared minus 11x now plus 3. This is now equal to 0. Guys, we now go back to our equation. And our equation is right here. As you can see, the equation we had was this. So guys, we modify this to form a quadratic equation with coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x, and a constant. And so therefore, guys, with that, I can write the equation first. And so, guys, here is the equation. And now factor out x squared here, so that, guys, we have the coefficient of x squared. This one gives me a minus 3. And here we have x squared. And for this other one, guys, we have minus. Now this one will give me a. This is now going to be plus 2. And the reason we put a bracket there. Then we have x, now plus c. This gives us 0. Guys, after that, as you can see, we have this quadratic equation here, and we have this. Guys, by comparing those quadratic equations, it goes without saying that, guys, our 3 is equals to c. And therefore, c equals to 3. Guys, now we come and look for a. Now we compare this equation and this. So it means, guys, we have a minus 3 should give us now 6. That is the coefficient of x squared here, should be the same as coefficient of this. And now coming to this, the coefficient of this x should be the same as that. Therefore, this is going out to be a plus 2. is equals to now 11. Guys, now we solve that simultaneous equation. Guys, as you can see, the A is the same, so we can subtract. We can actually add, because we only have, actually guys, we don't need even the two equations. We just need to solve one of them, and this is now what we do. We can now neglect one, but guys, let's see what we get from each of the equation. So A now here is equals to 6 plus 3, that is 9. A here is equals to 11 minus 2, that is 9. And so therefore, guys, A is equals to 9. So guys, this is how it is. It should be done. We don't have a simultaneous equation since we don't have two unknowns. Guys, we are able to find the C, and also we are able to find A. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.